Well, there you go. On the official website of one of the Samsung's largest US retail partners, in this case AT&T I'm talking about, has revealed almost everything about the Galaxy S23 series. And all those secrets are out before the public release on the 1st of next month, which is like literally few hours away. So now it is almost confirmed that the whole US will not see a price hike for the Galaxy S23 series. So if you are in the US and trying to buy a Galaxy S23 series phone, bam, you are the luckiest one. $799 for the S23, $999 for the S23 Plus, and $1,200 for the S23 Ultra. Exactly the same pricing as last year's models. But this year though, the S23 is starting at 128GB while the S23 Plus is starting at 256GB and goes up to 512GB. But all of them will come with 8GB of standard RAM. But the S23 Ultra base model, the $1,200 one, will come with 8GB, 256GB model, but everything else like the 512GB or 1TB variant are gonna be coming with 12GB of RAM. But the 1TB model is gonna be Samsung.com exclusive with few more subtle new colors that I can also show you. But as you can see, light blue, gray, or even red color options are coming, but they're gonna be limited in numbers and gonna be Samsung.com exclusive. So you have to be real quick to grab them. Of course, it is yet unknown what kind of Galaxy S23 discount early adopters in the US will receive. So that's another thing. The free storage options are coming to many markets. The early adopters will actually get the 512GB option of the S23 Ultra at the price of the base 256GB model. And same upgraded storage thing is true for both the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus as well. So this is actually pretty good. But that may not come to the US. So the good news is that the US trade-in offers are typically unmatched at this point. So if you try to grab them as early as possible, you may be able to receive a really interesting reservation gift directly from Samsung. But that's not only it. AT&T also confirmed the Galaxy S23 specs, and they are like this: 6.6-inch automatic adaptive display. In this case, I'm gonna tell you it's the 48Hz to 120Hz LTPS panel, not the LTPO panel. So that's one thing. And the dimension is listed like this: 5.93 ounces is the weight. Crystal clear 50 megapixel rear camera, we know about that, and we also know that it will come with 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 3x telephoto zoom camera, just like last year's. The spec sheet also mentioned advanced nitography. We can see some of the materials already: IP68 dust and water resistance, 5G support, definitely fast wireless charging, which is going to be capped at 15 watt, One UI 5.1 is coming, and what else? Like green, cream, lavender, and phantom color options. And the same thing goes for the US release schedule, confirmed by AT&T again. 1st of February is the month that is the online pre-orders date, and the February 17th is the day when actual availability will kick off, both online and in the stores. So these are the final dates. But that's not only it. We have ton more news coming right after this video, so definitely keep an eye on this channel, or maybe just subscribe this channel. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Light Beam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.